Hey beauty people, welcome back to this video. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix product not showing on your Shopify store. So before get started, please consider to subscribe my channel and like the video. To fix the issue, first go to product option, and then here you will see all of your product list. Now click on the product. Now check your product information like title, description and image, and important is check the status. Make sure it's activate, not draft. Make sure it's activate, and then go to the category. Here make sure the category is added, or you can enter your category and then see the pricing and see the inventory like SKU and others. And go to the collection. Here enter collection and then go to tag. Here enter some related tag. Theme template, so it's default. Now after looking all of things, go to top, click on save. After that click on preview. Now go back to your website homepage, and here you go. So that's how you can fix the issue. So hope that this video help you out. If this video help you, hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.